Back to Simple Man's Barbecue. I'm Jason. Today I got something a little bit exciting for y'all, something new. In honor of the Area 51 raid that they're supposed to do in September, well, I got a little bit too excited and I decided to head to Area 51 early, and I was able to break in there, y'all, okay? I was able to break in there and I got me an alien, okay? I found me an alien, I chopped him up, I got his ribs, and now we're gonna smoke some alien ribs. I'm excited about this, folks. Hold on, right there. Here we go. I got them all seasoned up. I'm using salt and pepper and the Texas Sausage Company rub. And no, this is not country style ribs. I know it looks like country style ribs, but this is in fact alien ribs, aliens from Mars. So let's go ahead and throw these on my Weber kettle. Yes, I did say my Weber kettle. Up here, baby girl. My face. We're gonna throw it up here on the Weber kettle.
It did have your face.
Yes, I did say Weber kettle because I haven't used it in a long time. So let's go ahead and throw these alien ribs on. All right, so let's go ahead and get these alien ribs on. I'm so excited.
Never had alien ribs before.
Me neither, man. This is gonna be a first for me.
You want to try alien ribs, babe?
I'm suspecting that they're gonna be out of this world.
Baby boy says no to everything. Okay.
You don't want no alien ribs? Why not, bud? Who doesn't want alien ribs? Let's see if we can fit all these on here. And by the way, folks, I am smoking these alien ribs with cherry wood today. And as y'all can see, I got my brick set up. I don't know if y'all can tell there. But I got my fire brick set up. Okay, I got to make room for one more. Let's try to fit that right there.
Why don't you put some on that side?
Can't put it over the coal, baby. You'll burn your ribs.
Okay.
They're called direct cooking. All right, folks. I've never done alien ribs before. This is another first for me. So I'm gonna cook these up. I'm gonna try to keep it around 250, 275. And yes, it is hot as hell out here, folks. Here in Texas, it's hot as hell, folks. But we're gonna get these cooked up, and then we're gonna take a look at them, take them in the house, eat into these alien ribs, and see how we did. We'll see y'all back here in a little bit. All right, folks, we're an hour into the cook, and this is what our alien ribs are looking like right now. I'd say they're looking pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and give a quick spritz with just some plain old water, because water helps keep it moist, and it will help retain more smoke flavor, because smoke loves water. So just give these alien ribs a good spritz, and then I'm gonna let it go another couple more hours, and then I don't know exactly how long these are gonna take. So I'm thinking it's gonna take about 3 or 4 hours. I don't really know. Never cooked alien ribs before, but when these are done, we're gonna take them in, take a test, and we'll see how we did. I'll see y'all back in a little bit. All right, folks, this is what we're looking like after 2 hours now. Got a beautiful color on these alien ribs. I'm gonna give them one more spritz, and I think I'm gonna let them go for about another hour, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and sauce them, and then probably let them go for another 20 or 30 minutes, and then we'll probably go ahead and bite into these, see how we did. But this is what it's looking like after 2 hours, and you know what, hold on one second, let me just let me try probing this meat real quick and see how tender it is. Yeah, it's pretty tender. It could go a little bit longer. Yeah, I'll probably let it go for another 45 minutes, and then I'll sauce it, and then I'll go ahead and let it go for another 15 minutes to let the sauce set, and then we'll go ahead and take them off and bite into it. All right, folks, we'll see y'all back here in a little bit. By the way, folks, I just want to say I do not recommend trying to break into Area 51. Please do not do it. I do not encourage anybody to do it. So just please don't do that. Not that I think anyone's going to, but I just don't want anyone saying, hey, that big fat guy said he broke into there, so can I. But yeah, so just because I broke in there and got some alien ribs doesn't mean you can too, okay? So don't do it. All right, thank you. All right, folks, it's been 3 hours now, and if you could take a look at the ribs right here, at the alien ribs, they've been going for 3 hours now. So I'm gonna go ahead and sauce these bad boys. Sauce these delicious little aliens up. And right now, this is just my local Kroger brand barbecue sauce. Nothing special. Y'all know me. I usually don't do anything special. But I'm going to just sauce these up real quick. And then I'm going to let them go for about another 15-20 minutes. Just to let the sauce set up. And then when that's done, we'll go ahead and bring it in the house and we'll bite into these little green aliens. Okay, folks. It's all done. So let's take a look at the alien ribs. Now, folks,
Wow.
if these little aliens don't look good to you, then we probably can't be friends. So what I did is, as y'all seen, I smoked it for 3 hours. Then I sauced it, let it go for another 20 minutes. So and let's bite into these bad boys and let's see how we did. Which one do you want?
I'll take those little guy.
Okay. I'll take this guy right here.
Is there bone in it?
Some of them do have bones in them. Some of them don't. You know how them aliens are.
Ow.
You know how them aliens are.
Like
all right,
bird.
folks.
Dang,
Area 51 alien ribs, baby.
Why, man? Type. That alien tastes good.
Wow.
You gotta let me talk.
Them Martians, though, man. Them Martians are where it's at.
Mm-hmm.
Well, now that I think about it, these Martian ribs, these alien ribs taste a lot like country style ribs. But go figure, though. Listen, I appreciate you all watching today. Y'all are awesome, man. This has been one hell of a cook, man. And remember what I said. I don't recommend anybody going to Area 51 and raiding the place, okay? Just because I did it doesn't mean you get to, okay?
At least you didn't say it tasted like chicken.
Yes, at least it didn't taste like chicken. But listen, I appreciate you folks watching, man. God bless you all. If y'all have any questions or comments, don't be shy to hit me up. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet, man, okay? I love you all. Y'all have a great day. Keep it simple.
Hello, it's me, Jason. I'm an alien.